According to the World Health Organization (WHO), 77% of women in Nigeria use skin lightening products in the quest for beauty. So she spends her savings on illegal concoctions that promise to lighten her pigment. Many of these products end up causing more harm than good. This is where we come in. My name is Ngozy Atta, founder of Jagabeauty, a skincare company in Nigeria that provides safe skincare solutions for the man and the woman of color. Our vision is to be positioned globally as the go-to brand for safe skincare by the year 2024. In less than 2 years, we have come up with various products, including our African black soap, all produced with naturally derived ingredients. These products have been sold widely in Nigeria, some African countries, Europe, and the US with positive reviews. Sourcing our raw materials locally has enabled us to empower women in villages and to provide employment in their communities and in Lagos. Our value proposition is to restore the confidence of many with our products, and we are glad to be recognized for the ACE Awards 2021. Thank you.